rise and shine.
Hey, it's Dance. I'm here today for vlog number 3. I will be your narrator for today's story. So let's begin. Once upon... Actually, something feels off. Ah, right. Tada! Actually, let's turn this off. It's kind of annoying. I'll be showing you different kinds of easy costumes that you can do. There's kind of a mix of a vlog and a DIY tutorial kind of video. Let's begin with the story. Once upon a time, I was eating lunch like normal after school. Something felt strange. I thought to myself, what was that sound? 'Twas spooky season. First costume. The iconic, the legendary Avengers Endgame Thor. Look at Thor in all his glory. All you need is a gray hoodie under there, some weird poncho jacket thing. It looks like a rug in your grandma's house. If you have long hair and a beard, bonus for you, dude. But if you don't, you can still rock this. Then all you need is a pillow to stuff inside of your hoodie. Here's the finished look. All you need are some slippers to look lazy AF, baggy joggers, weird looking grandma jacket, then a gray hoodie under, side view. I look like I'm pregnant. How many babies am I expecting? None. I'm expecting just big loads of Since my hair is already messy, since I didn't fix it, all you have to do is mess it up a lot, look like you haven't taken a shower since you were like born. You are now Endgame Thor, which I will end up being when I grow up. I got my brother inside my room because he's emo now. How would you rate this outfit? Is it similar to this?
You look bad in this. Not this kind of pillow. Make it like more of a circular pillar. Cause it's square. Square!
We don't have circle pillows!
What do you mean?
We don't have!
And why this? He's supposed to be like a coat. It's not
Yeah,
supposed to be
but
over.
look, this looks like a grandma's carpet. Don't you agree this looks like a grandma's jacket? Close enough.
You have to have the long hair. This is a bad costume, okay? You should do something else. You should do it basically like it.
Second costume. It from Georgie. All you need is a white shirt actually underneath, then this yellow raincoat, a paper boat, a balloon, but I'm not gonna bring a balloon because I'm too lazy to buy one. This looks black, but in the movie I remember it was kind of blue, so I'll stick with blue. Then black and white shoes, or you can use...
Wait!
Bro, what? Stop! I'm in the middle of filming.
What?
Okay, can I go back now?
I like anime, okay? I watch anime.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna use my Vans black and white shoes. Let's see it in person. And there you have it. You got it from Georgie. Oh my god, Lance. This is the second time you said it from Georgie. It's Georgie from It! I got the Vans black and white shoes on under this dark blue pants. Then the iconic yellow, what do you call this? Raincoat. He has this little boat, SS Georgie. If you can't find this, usually guards have these. Like, I live in a condo, but I didn't get it from my guard. The girl that I was dating, I borrowed it from her guard. If that makes any sense. I realized I forgot to give it back. Then a white shirt underneath. That's it. So the overall effect, I look like a child. I guess this was 100% A+. We also down here. Dress. The next guy is the frat guy meme. The frat guy meme was very famous in my last school. All you need is brown loafers or any kind of loafers, white shorts, black belt, white long sleeve. I don't have a gold Rolex. Since that guy has pierced ears and earrings, I'll just use my regular AirPods as those earrings. Let's go. Damn, I didn't cover it all the way. Tada! Oh, wow, this is a lot to... I look like an absolute abomination. So, Enzo, what do you think of my outfit?
You look like white trash!
welcome to Frat Chili's. I cannot take myself seriously looking like this. I just have my old school shoes from when I was in high school. White shorts, black belt, white long sleeve shirt that's rolled up. I didn't put my AirPods in. Sorry. This is how to look like a white asshole. Hey, bro, did you freaking push me? I'm not gonna fight back. I'm gonna let my dad sue your ass. Is this accurate? I got tired from changing, so I decided to binge watch Daybreak, which I heavily recommend. The next day at 12, we got lunch with my grandmother, my tita, and my tito. We then set sail to go meet them. We went to the top of the globe to go eat at Musashi Maru. Of course, I ordered my favorite shrimp while my brother was killing the seeds. The shrimp was still hot, so when I bit into it, my tongue burned. Mario! Right now, I'm going downstairs to my building's Halloween party. The almost of mine is the host of the party, and I decided I want to steal some food. Since he just came out, I was looking like fire. So I decided to turn this regular outfit of mine into what I call a millennial vlogger. So all you need, champion so that everyone knows that you got money, pants that grabs your attention. I just have regular white shoes to calm the whole look down. So the finishing look to this overall costume is this hat to commit to the whole outfit. You need this hat to pretend that you are famous. You have to be like, ooh, everyone's looking at me. If you saw in my mirror, I'm using my filming stick so that people know that I'm actually filming stuff. Whoa, such a vlogger. I'm so famous.
Not cockroach. Here. How many birds in here? Wow, let's look. 1
Look at the Almodra.
and 2. Alright, now I'm gonna keep you inside the box.
That's a dope ass outfit. Look at that. His shoes glow. Oh my god. Now that all the little monsters are gone, sorry, all the kids are gone, we were able to get all of this without trick-or-treating. Buttload of candy. Like, look at all of this. I'm gonna end up having diabetes. After the celebration, we then walked to mass to atone for our sins. The funny thing is, the priest freaking gave me 3 communions. I then dropped my brother off at the mall to eat with his friends while I ate pasta and a big ass slice of pizza. Which brings us to now, end of story, bye.